Hey team, welcome back. It is almost August 1, and I'm going to get this out a little bit early because I know some of you have some big plans for the weekend and maybe beginning of next week. But I am looking right now at the leadership retreat information that we are going to go through. I know Chip has sent something already that is really um, and maybe it's just gone to me, but just about what our morning looks like. I think it's a district leadership for 2 hours, which all of you are invited to as a leadership team. And then we spend time working with ourselves or with our middle school group for the remainder of our leadership team data retreat. So I just want to go through some things. I have all kinds of ideas, thoughts, but I want you to be able to have some thoughts as well and some time to think about things as we make decisions as we go into next year. It's hard to believe that we are going into a year where we have not said that our favorite five-letter word of COVID yet, and it is nowhere to be seen on my agenda, and I hope that it stays that way. Anyway, I want us to refocus on just what's important in the middle. And so I want you to rethink, like, what did we see last year? What's that research that we've done? What are those things that we think are just really key for the middle? And we can revisit some of that information to get us started and just grounded in that middle school work. We're going to talk about what the roles and responsibilities are, and then we're going to talk about terms and limits. All of you have been on the middle school BLT for 2 years, and so you cannot leave at the same time, but we didn't make any changes as we got to last year. And so just we're going to set some ideas and some thoughts around terms and limits. Once we're done with that, we'll review the goals that we have if we haven't done that already in the morning, and then just start talking about the 22-23 goals. Remember, these are around the strategic directions, and so those four that we have um, that are part of that roadmap are what our goals will be around. So kind of looking at that. Then I really want us to be open to talking about what should PLCs look like and what is our growth there. I think we have a lot of ways that we can grow and make them even stronger. Also, same thing with Laker Time homeroom. How do we add in some growth there, and how do we make that better? I'm hearing all kinds of things from other schools and hearing certainly feedback from this year that SEL wasn't our favorite. And as you know, I've said, yes, we're continuing with Laker Time, but how do we make it better and how do we make it more beneficial for all of our students? We're going to move on to just talking about boot camp at some point and just what that overview looks like and what those days look like, answer any questions. We're going to talk about behaviors. There's a thought that I have about Saturday school and about whether that's something that we entertain or not. And then about Laker Wavemaker and how we share what we expect from kids and look at more of a PBIS model. We're going to talk about workshop week, PBIS. Certainly, we're going to talk about school security and what that looks like. I have some real strong feelings on that. If you've followed anything from Uvalde, there's a lot of things coming out right now that are kind of scary and concerning about just all the things that happened and that went wrong at that point. And we just want to make sure that we never are a school that is in that boat. I think we all share some concerns there. Lastly, we're going to talk about schedules. This is your time where you're going to tell me, hey, breakfast is in the cafeteria, or no, I want it someplace else, um, and lunch times and such. I will share schedules with you as we get closer and whatnot. 7 through 8 has not really changed. There's one course I'm working on who's going to teach, and then 4 through 6, the bare bones are there. All right. I hope you guys have a great Wateremma weekend. You stay safe, healthy, and have tons of fun. And then we are together on Wednesday and Thursday. I'm going to give you a quick heads up. I think we should spend the most amount of time together on Wednesday. Thursday, I can be here until 11 and I can be back at 1, I think around 1. But I'm hoping that we can kind of stop at 11. And if we need to do things on our own after that, we do it. I do need to be a parent and pick a kid up at camp. All right. If you have any questions or need something prior to next week, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you then. Take care.